Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video I have a small haul to show you guys from Lima Beads, and I almost didn't film this, and then I realized that I should just film it and talk to you guys about this in case you're having the same problem that I'm having. So my nylon jaw pliers have been wearing down a lot. I really need to replace the nylon tips on these. So I went online, I looked around, I was trying to go on Amazon and to replace the head for this, but it's like super expensive, and plus I have to pay for shipping, and I don't know why it's so expensive. So I looked around some other places and I had to spend $25 to get free shipping. I hate paying for shipping. So anyways, I just decided that I should just get a new pair of nylon gel pliers because I am a huge fan of Wubbers pliers. I have the classic Wubbers, and the classic ones have longer handles. I think they're 7-inch handles. And this handle here on these pliers, this is a Bead nylon gel plier. I think it's 5 inches. So there's the baby Wubbers and the classic Wubbers, which is what I have. So anyways, I was looking into Wubbers nylon gel pliers, and I went on to JTV, and they only have one pair in stock. They have the round, one side's nylon that's round and the other side's flat, which I really want that pair also, but I think they're $25 or $26, maybe $27 right now. They're pricey. So I just put them in my cart and I was shopping around, and my favorite bead store, online bead store, Lima Beads, just had a sale for Halloween, and they had 20% off your entire purchase. I think it was like on everything in their store, which doesn't happen very often. So I went on there because they had this deal: if you spend this certain amount you get a free strand of beads, and the more you spent, the more expensive strand of bead string you could get for free. And they also have this big green machine thing, or is it the Tuesday special or something like that, where you can get stuff for dirt cheap. So I clicked on that the one day, and I ended up getting a free strand of beads from that, and then I got the free strand of beads for the trick-or-treat Halloween thing on their site. So anyways, I went to Lima Beads and I bought a new pair of Wubbers. This is the Pro line nylon gel pliers. These are so nice, and I didn't know it, but buying this you get the extra nylon tips, which is awesome, because I'm thinking I might be able to put the extra one on these here, which, if it works out, is going to be pretty cool. So see, this is the Pro line series. Now this Wubbers handle is different. It's Pro line, they're calling it that because they don't have regular cushiony. This one here is like rubber. Let me go into my drawer and get a pair of Wubbers out for you. So here is my round nose Wubbers, and this handle right here, it's long, it's straight, and this is called the classic handle. I like the classic. And Wubbers also has a handle like this, which they call the baby Wubbers. So anyways, this here is called Pro line, and this handle looks like it's dipped. And this feels really rubbery, by the way. I thought this was going to be like painted, but it feels like rubber. I wonder if this will peel off over time. They feel really cool. I like the grips too, the finger grips there. That's pretty cool. So I'm excited about these. And I want to see if this nylon head will fit onto that one. I did not know that this came with extra pieces. Is it going to work? And you know what? Oh my gosh, it will work. It's the same one. That is so cool. So when I went online to look for these replacements here, there were ones that I saw that were tapered, but I couldn't find the name brand for this. Like, it didn't say that it was Bead name brand replacement heads. I don't know. It was just screwy, and I'm like, I should just get a new pair of pliers. And I'm really happy I did, because it came with extra nylon pieces here that I could put onto my old pair. So how cool is that? And man, these are so nice. And you know, I've been using my nylon gel pliers so much that it's actually nice to have a pair of them so I could put one in one place and one in another place. So I'm really excited about this. And by the way, have you guys ever gone onto the Wubbers University website and looked at their tutorials? They have really good videos. And by the way, the reason why I like Wubbers so much is because you can use heavy-duty wire with these pliers. A lot of pliers aren't strong enough. Drawer making pliers aren't strong enough to use like 14 gauge wire. See, it says right here, recommended for use with up to 14 gauge soft wire. Okay, now I'm going to show you the beads I got. I didn't get much beads. I was really in for the nylon gel pliers, but here are the free strands that I got. The silver one was for lunch special. That's what it was called. The Lima Beads lunch special. This is a 15-inch 3x4mm Chinese rondelles strand. This was free. If you subscribe to Lima Beads, every Tuesday they will send you this email, and most of the time they will have one free item, and you have to put it in your cart as soon as you open the email for that, because when you go to order, if you don't put it in your cart, it will be gone. You'll lose out on the free item or the item that's like 20-something cents. And this here is what I got from the trick-or-treat sale. This was a free strand. I didn't spend a lot of money, so I didn't get like really nice items, but they had some awesome gemstone strands that I would have loved to have, but I think I had to spend like 60 bucks to get a strand. Anyways, one of my favorite beads right now at Lima Beads is the Aqua Terra Agate and the Arctic Terra Agate. It's like a whole line of Terra Agate beads. Anyways, I've got them in 8mm rounds. I think I have them in 12. There's this other Aqua Terra Agate, or Aqua or Arctic. There's different ones. There's also a green one. There's these beads. It's shaped like a rice, but it's huge. It's like this long, and it's this color here. It is so pretty. I'm addicted to these beads, y'all. And I saw them on JTV one day. They're selling them now. They're gorgeous. So here are some donuts that I got. I forgot what size this was. Is it 35mm? Anyways, I ordered 2 of them because, was it last year? I did a tutorial with a gemstone donut, and I totally decorated it in seed beads. I'll put a picture of that tutorial up now. Anyways, that was a really fun project, and so I wanted to get some of these donuts, and I got 2 of them because from past experience, when I ordered just one, it would be like a plain one that's kind of like this. So I'm like, I'm gonna get 2, and maybe I'll get one that's wild. And look at this, I sure enough did. This looks like snake skin or something. Isn't that cool? It's like scales. I love this Aqua Terra Agate bead so much. Actually, I think this was the Arctic one. They're so pretty. Look at the colors, the patterns. Beautiful. And here's the smaller one. This was either 25 or 26mm. And by the way, these are the thickest donuts ever. I don't know why they are so thick. Look at how thick this is. It's like 6mm, maybe 7mm thick. It is huge. This is what this donut looks like. They're really cute. I actually could have bought more of these. I could have bought like 4 of each, but yeah, look at how thick. So thick. Super thick donuts. Alright, I also got some Z beads. In case you didn't know, Z beads are spelt D-Z-I. It's an agate bead. They're really cool. I have a strand like this, I think. I don't know if I reordered the same thing or not. I might have, but who cares if I have ordered the same thing or not, because I love them so much. Look at how pretty. These are gorgeous. They also come in this color called Rust, which I actually wasn't that crazy about. This one here is so pretty. It looks like wood. The pattern there looks like wood. Each one of them are so unique. I love Z beads. They had some other really pretty colors, and I saw that the Lima Beads now has like a clearance area on their website, and I went in there and there was a bunch of strands that were like half off, and they were very expensive, like $20 strands, and they marked them down a lot. So I love those beads. And I also got some Crazy Lace Agate Nugget beads. I think that this is natural colors. These are like the prettiest nuggets ever. I love the round shape of them. They're not like chip beads. They're really rounded nuggets. They're like pebbles. They're so pretty. Look at this. I love Crazy Lace Agate. I got 2 strands of these. I think these were also in the clearance. I don't remember if this was in clearance. I don't think it was, but I think this one was in the Lima Beads clearance. There was a lot of stuff that I could have bought, but I tried to resist because I do have a lot of stuff in my stash. But man, I love these nuggets. The shape of them is perfect. And you know, sometimes when I buy stuff from Lima Beads, like for example, this here, I swear I saw this exact donut in the picture. And I think that whenever they get a new order in, they'll take a picture of the stuff. But sometimes I do think that they don't replace the picture. I know that they do it for gemstones, but one time I ordered from Lima Beads these owl beads. They were like a creamy beige color with gold or copper in the details. Anyways, they were beautiful online. They were really detailed check owl beads. And then when I got them in person, a lot of the detail was very poor. Like, they weren't detailed enough, and it really bummed me out because I needed them for a tutorial, and I did end up using them, but most of the owls did not look very good, which was a bummer. But anyways, that happens sometimes when you buy things online. So this is just a small haul that I wanted to show you guys, and really the whole point of this was to show you that if you buy Wubbers Pro Line nylon jaw pliers, you will get an extra nylon tip here to put on your old pair if you're like me. And by the way, I still have the screw for mine, but mine are so worn out that the screw will not stay in. It is stripped. So yeah, I'm excited to replace those because they're pretty worn. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. And please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and check me out on all my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.